Folds of Honor, founded in 2007, is an organization that raises money for spouses and children of our military that have been killed and disabled, in addition to first responders. Since 2007, over 44,000 scholarships have been provided. We've got about 235 recipients here in the state of Missouri, and there's about $1 million that we provide in education.
It's definitely provided me and my family financial support and me pursuing my college education. I'm a junior at Southern Illinois University in Edwardsville, and I'm currently studying sociology. My dad told me about Folds of Honor. He served in the military for 21 years, and he was often deployed a lot, and so me and my brother were often raised by my mom. I'm definitely a walking example of what supporting community is. If I hadn't been a recipient, I wouldn't be here. Thank you, Folds of Honor, and thank you, Schnucks.
We are tremendously proud of the 5 years that we've executed Folds of Honor. We have raised, through our generous customers, more than $5 million and awarded 1,000 scholarships. That's really, really powerful. This year's Folds of Honor Roundup at the Register campaign runs from May 10th through May 30th. As our customers come through our stores, our checkers will be asking them if they want to participate by rounding up their receipt to the nearest dollar. We will also have scan to donate coupons for $1, $3, and $5.
I'm a veteran of 2 combat tours, and I can honestly say that there was a sense of relief, but also a sense of guilt for the fact that I was able to return home and lead a normal life, a normal civilian life. So now that Schnucks partners with Folds of Honor, it's a way for us to honor those veterans who paid the ultimate price by giving their life or giving limb to be able to serve and protect our freedoms. It gives me a sense of pride knowing that we are returning that appreciation back to those service members and their families.
Please make sure you round up, because when you make a donation, you're going to be adding dollars to a scholarship to a needy family. Freedom is not free. Honor their sacrifice, educate the legacy with the Schnucks Roundup program.